Aloha and welcome to Beach House with Greta. Today is show number 6. To Nisha, Rox, she didn't feel like talking, so she decided to do a silent walk. To be honest, that's been me in every episode of the series. So, enjoy the silent walk and the sounds of the beach and the waves, and I'll see you tomorrow. Rox finished the episode telling you to find a place that makes you feel better. So leave her a comment, call the conch line, and aloha!